Now this illustration deals with access to that roof. 110.33b of the NEC. And notice they're using an extension ladder, and that ladder has to be installed so you're 3.5 foot above the access rule. In other words, the ladder shouldn't fall below the roof, and then you climb the ladder as an electrician and use your belly to pull yourself up to get onto the roof. That would be a violation of the OSHA standard. Now, notice we have the equipment there now that's over 1,000 volts, and usually that might be some air conditioning equipment or some other type of equipment that the manufacturer manufactured at 4160 volt. It could be any type of equipment, but say it's 4160 volt, then you're over 1,000 volts. So this is the rule for the ladder, the extension ladder, if you don't have a permanent ladder means to access that roof. And then remember, you have fall protection during access and so forth by the rules really fall in 1926 in the 500 and 501, 503 series. So the fall protection has really changed in the OSHA standard. So should be reviewed very careful, and the contractor should train their people properly, because I'll tell you for sure, if a bad accident occurs, you have taken a very bad management risk by not training if you are the contractor or the facility owner. So this illustration and this figure illustrates access in accordance with NEC 110.33b as in boy. And notice the mechanical room there. It's locked, and only the qualified people will have a key, a punch pad number, or a swipe card with the password that the owner of the facility should want these qualified people to know and be able to tell you what it is if it become important to do so.